Welcome to our Jollibees Mukbang. So today on our list, the spicy and regular chicken, and more chicken, the gravy, the rice, and more gravy and rice, and Jollibees fries. On top of that, we do have a couple of peach mangoes. So this is Isabella.
Hi.
She never had Jollibees before, so we're gonna try it out. What do you want to try first, Is?
Let's try.
The chicken and gravy?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try it with, of course we have to have the rice. So we're gonna do the rice. Boop. My rice. Boop. There we go. So before we continue, Izzy, can you take a quick picture of our food?
Yep. There we go.
So let's try the pineapple juice first. Izzy, do you want to try it?
Yeah.
How is it?
Tastes really good.
Okay, let me try. It actually tastes like nectar from Southeast Asia. It's good. Okay, let's try the chicken.
Okay.
All right, Izzy, you want to try your chicken first?
Yeah.
I'm going to try without the gravy. According to the jar, how do you like it?
It's like chicken from heaven. Just.
I agree. It seems like when you take your first bite, it's like angels dancing in your mouth. It's good.
Every bite gets better.
Good point, good point. So do you want to try it with the gravy?
Mm-hmm.
I know you don't like gravy much, Izzy, but we'll try it anyway. Okay, there you go. It's good, it's good.
It just adds on. Like it keeps getting better and better.
You compare it to, it's not like Popeyes, it's more like, it's like a less greasier version of KFC. That's some good chicken.
Mm-hmm.
I also got the spicy chicken. Has like the little spicy flag. Let's try it with that. That's some good spicy chicken. When you take the first bite, it kind of tastes like KFC's hot wings, but with a bigger kick.
How spicy is it?
It's 2 flags spicy. Okay, so that one's good. I'm gonna make this short and sweet, so we're gonna try the mango pie. Do you want to try the fries?
Mm-hmm.
See how those are?
Mm-hmm.
We actually just got home, so sat in the car for about 10 minutes. So we're gonna see how they are. Taste okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this. The mango pie, the peach mango pie. I'm gonna take one bite. So damn good. So damn good. You want to try a bite, this? Delicious? Delicious. So that concludes our quick video review of the first time at Jollibees. Out of 10, what would you rate it out of 10? Be honest.
I would rate it maybe an 8.5 to 9.5.
I agree with you. 8.5 to 9.
Mm-hmm. It meets my expectations.
It totally does. Anyways, thanks for coming.
Have a jolly day.